This is an Anker Soundcore Mini. It is mini. I got this from eBay for £6, I believe. It's not an expensive speaker. I think they retail for about 25, something like that. The listing said that it has power and it works, but that it doesn't charge. So that'll be interesting. Let's see if that is true. Yes, it comes on. We get the little Bluetooth pairing thing there. Right, so why doesn't it charge? My guess is there's something wrong with the charging ports. Let's have a look. Okay, where are we? Yep. I'll say it's the charging ports. What would you say? I don't think that's very
solid.
Right, well, I'm not going to go sticking a cable in there for obvious reasons. We're going to have to take this apart. And how do we do that? Because there are no screws on this thing.
All I want to do is save crap from the trash without splurging the cash. Let's get this thing fixed up in a flash. I'm going to give it a bash. Well, LPS struggles taking it apart. We're going to make a start, thanking the members who make this possible. Together we're unstoppable. New to the game, on my knees, my BOLTON law. We're shaking Twitch, we give us we got. Return of the Mac Light, Mark Morrison, Infinity A1, Bezos Newton. Need some lubricant to get it flowing. HHG's getting bigger, we're growing. Solid Start Tidder, Mick Adams, Wimmerman Flux, winning the battle. Like fixing it on Friday with Kip Hakes. Is it going to work? No, Matt Adams, the breaks. Sean Day, Hamilton, Manley, Grieve, Jamrag, Andrea, Facio, Believe. Skyper 22, Diamond Soldier, Teaser Beast. Western and Western, not East is East. Markovitz 19, Dr. Frankenstein. Badger Squatch, Ben Rushner, Adam Levine. Adam Taylor in Flim, Kangaroo Burr. Just like Chingy, we're right there. Nidhoeg of Roki, John Prushik. These lines are getting blurred like Robin Thicke. Daft Willie, Jonathan Wiggs, RVE. Dr. Princess Wizard, that leaves us 3. Sora Cat, Jonathan Harden, time to go. Coming up into the Monkey Joe Tokyo. Peace.
Wow, well that wasn't easy. It was also glued around here. For anyone that skipped the annoying wrap, which I'm sure most of you did, it was quite difficult. Once the 3 screws were out, it was also glued around here, so I had to heat it up again with the gun, the hot air gun. And now we've got a couple of connectors here, but it looks like they're also hot glued in, or they've got some kind of, I don't know, epoxy or something holding them in. I'm not sure that was supposed to happen, but the pins are still there, so I think I'll be able to get that back on. Yeah, that wasn't easy. I'm hoping I can get this back together. Well, anyway, that's the speaker part of it. Got some glue on the diaphragm there for some reason.
Right.
So the USB port is down here. Right, well, so far this is not fun to work on. Right, finally. Let's get this under the microscope. Right, well, I'm not going to be able to fix this, so I am going to have to replace it. Let's see how easy it is to get it off. It's not going to be very easy. We've got plastic right next to it here. It's very cramped. But it's going to have to come off. Trusty aluminum tape. I'm going to add some leaded solder to these parts here. really wanted to try and convert this to USB-C, but there's not enough room in here. I've got a couple of different USB-C connectors. This is a 2-pin one, so it's just got negative and positive, but there's no way I'm going to get that on there. There's just not enough room. It would have to sit all the way back here. Yeah, because the original one was sort of flush with the edge of the board. So yeah, I don't think that's going to... Yeah, it's not going to work, which is a shame. Right, well, let's see if I've got any micro USB ones similar to that. I'd say that's pretty similar. Yeah, that looks good to me. I think I'm going to try that. Just need to get rid of the old solder from here first. I'd say that was about perfect. Do the solid test. Solid.
Solid.
Solid. Solid.
Ooh.
Not solid. Solid.
And I didn't melt anything. Right, well, let's pop it back together and let's see if it works. Getting it back together is going to be fun. Well, I suppose we should just make sure that this port fits in the case. Yes, it does. Very nicely too. Right, it doesn't look like this is working. So we've got the USB port plugged in, we've got power going in, we've got no lights. I mean, I don't know whether it's supposed to have lights, but surely it should have something. Still comes on. And then we've got a blue light down here. But there's no light flashing or any kind of illumination to show that it's charging. So I still think it's not working. I better check my soldering. I was sure everything was
Solid.
but obviously not. Start again, Stephen. Oh, there we go. I thought it was solid. And it wasn't. Solid. Well, that serves me right, doesn't it? Right, let's redo those. Alright, let's try again. Definitely solid. Definitely solid. Definitely
Solid.
Definitely.
Solid.
Definitely.
Solid.
Let's put it back together now. Again. Right, now let's see if it works. Oh yeah! But make sure it still comes on. Oh yeah! Nice. Sounds pretty good. For such a little thing. Still stupid.
Well, folks, here's a story about Minnie the Moocher. She was a low-down hoochie coocher. She was the roughest, toughest frail, but Minnie had a heart as big as a whale.